Just closing out our Members Convention 2023, the OI4 now with more than 100 members, many of them here today in St. Leon Roth at the SAP premises. I'm super happy as SAP to host the OI4 because for us, OI4 is a natural extension of our business model, which is all about integration and bringing stakeholders together. So this is awesome. As a board member of the OI4, I'm super happy that we were able to flesh out our value proposition to our customers a lot more. We presented it and our members were actually very happy with it. They felt that this is exactly what we stand for and what we can deliver.